Attention! Hey guys! So today, I will be showing you how to make a noisemaker with notebook paper. Now, you could use these at birthday parties or anything. But let's get started. Wait. First, you must have strength. And you must be strong. And most importantly, you must have me to help you. Now, let's get started. So, you're going to have your piece of paper. Now, you're going to make one side small and one side big. So, it will be loud. And I mean loud. Now, you're going to get one corner and roll it up small. Like this. Okay. And let me show you a way to make one side small and one side big. So as you can see, I'm rolling up this side the most. I'm like rolling this side small, and don't worry about this side. And if you don't worry about this side, then it's going to be big at the end. So just keep rolling one side small, very small. Now, if you did what I did, you're going to have one big side and one small side. Now, this side is way too small. So let's adjust it so it's like that. So now this isn't too small anymore. Yep, super loud and super awesome. Now, let's get. So you're gonna have your glue right here. So you're gonna have it open, and then you're gonna glue this little flap to this side, so it will stay like this. Okay, once you glue that, just flip it up, and you have your very own noisemaker. But it is missing one thing. We gotta paint it. So you will obviously need paint. So I have two paints, two different colors. Well, they're both different colors. You will need a paintbrush and a cup of water. So, first of all, close your lid. Close your glue. You won't need that anymore. Besides, your glue is going to dry out if you do not close it. So, close that lid! Now, we are going to paint this noisemaker. Now, let's paint this noisemaker. So, grab your paintbrush, and so I'm going to leave a cup of water right here. So grab your paintbrush and just stick it in there so it gets wet. Now, just stick it in there and open up one of these. I'm going to open up my purple, which is right here on this one. So I'm going to leave this one aside and open this one up, and then put some water in it. There. Now, I'm going to grab my noisemaker, and I'm going to put this in front so you guys can see. I'm going to do this. So, I'll put dots. Hang on. Okay, good. I was just checking something. Now I have dots almost all across, but there's my dots. One's a line. And then I'm gonna dip my paintbrush in here. So now I have made purple water. So okay. Now after I put the water, put that in the purple stuff, you're gonna need to close your purple lid, and then what you're gonna do next, grab your yellow, and oh no, okay, good. I thought that hit the table. Alright, so you're gonna grab your yellow. Let me fix that. Alright, so let me put that aside somewhere where it won't be hit. Aha! No, that would have been bad. Alright, and then you're just gonna do that. And then you're gonna grab your noisemaker, and you're gonna do that like this. And make it smaller. And then on the other side, do this. There. And then we're going to put our purple and our yellow and our purple water, and we'll see what that makes. Okay. Now, alright, after you've painted your noisemaker, you are set for the birthday party or just have fun. So, you subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, and comment down below if you liked making this noisemaker. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!